The graph gives the melting points of mixtures of lead and tin. The graph shows that any mixture of lead and tin must have a melting point of... In this question, we are supposed to use the temperature chart of the melting point of the alloy to answer this question. The horizontal axis gives the percentage of tin in the mixture. 0% on the left indicates that there is no tin in the alloy, which means that it is pure lead. The percentage of tin increases as we move from the left to the right of the graph. You may notice that the melting point of the alloy decreases as the percentage of the tin in the alloy increases till it reaches about 60% of tin, which means that the remaining 40% is made of lead. Beyond this percentage of tin, the melting point starts to increase again till it reaches 100% of tin. We can see that at this point, the melting point of the alloy is actually the melting point of pure tin. This temperature is about 232 degrees Celsius. What do we notice about the melting point of the alloy? Could it be above the melting point of tin? Yes, of course. In fact, at the melting point of pure tin, we can also find an alloy containing about 25% of tin with 75% of lead. How about at 300 degrees Celsius? We can find an alloy with about 10% of tin and 90% of lead. Thus, we can see from the chart that the alloy can have any melting point, but it must be below that of the melting point lead and can never be above that. Therefore, the answer for this question is option B.